everyone, I'm Facho. Welcome back to my channel. This is episode 5 of the doll creation plan. Phase 1 of the Dream series. The puppet character I'll be creating today is WULO. Last time, we created NYME, who takes care of Ecology. This time, it's WULO, in charge of healing and cleaning. Before we begin, take a guess. What form do you think the core ability of a healing spirit, like a water droplet, would take? Like a potion, a mist, or a protective film? Let's see whose imagination aligns with mine. Let's begin. In this series, I'll create at least 100 puppet characters and build a story for their world. In the dream world, I imagine, there are no shadows. Everything is soft and fluffy under a serene cyan-blue sky. The Dream Sprites are a tribe with 7 skin colors: red, orange, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and purple. Each has unique looks and abilities. They are the original inhabitants and the caretakers of the dream world. WULO belongs to the cyan skin type. Among the Dream Sprites, they are responsible for healing and cleaning. Though their skin appears cyan, their hydromimetic bodies make WULO almost transparent, like a clear, flowing drop of water. Just imagine if you could touch this clear, soft substance. What do you think it would feel like? Cool, warm, or completely temperatureless? I always imagine it would feel like morning dew. They usually live in the lakes, starry rivers, and water clouds of the dream world, as gentle and mysterious as water spirits. WULO has no fixed form. Their body is soft and elastic, sometimes floating like a cluster of water droplets, sometimes stretching into flowing ripples. When other sprites get stained by shadow dust, WULO quietly appears to purify them. What do you think these bad moods, or shadow dust, might concretely look like in a world of beautiful dreams? A gray mist, or some sticky black dots? I'd love to hear your descriptions. What's even more special is that WULO can freely change their transparency and form. When performing healing tasks, they glow softly, like a little cyan lantern. When resting, they melt into the water, leaving only faint ripples behind. They dislike noise and move as quietly as rain in a dream. If you've ever seen a stream suddenly turn clear, or a glowing water droplet hanging in the air, chances are WULO just passed by. I wonder, have you ever had a moment in real life where you suddenly felt healed or purified inside? Maybe that was your WULO moment. It's thanks to them that the dream world remains pure, soft, and healing. Every beautiful morning, you wake up to might be thanks to WULO's silent protection throughout the night. And that wraps up the 5th doll, WULO. The gentle healer WULO has now joined the dream world. If WULO were to help a previous sprite who's a bit careless, or pick a specific past character, what kind of fun or heartwarming story do you think would unfold? Your inspiration might make their world even more vibrant. If you like them, don't forget to like, save, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Any ideas or thoughts are welcome in the comments below. I read every single one, and your idea might just become the next character in the dream world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.